Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're going to be making some kale juice. Now this is a great way to start your morning and to incorporate some additional nutrients and vitamins into your diet. So let's get started.
Okay, so for this drink you only need 4 ingredients. You're going to need about 3 to 5 leaves of kale. You need 1 large Fuji apple. You need half a lemon. And finally, you need half a large cucumber. I'm going to be using a cocktail shaker to mix all the ingredients at the end. So before you begin, make sure you have at least half of it filled with ice. Alright, so first you want to remove the core of the apple and then slice the apple into smaller pieces. I'm using an apple core for this process. And just make sure your apple slices don't have any seeds in them. If you try this recipe at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And also feel free to use your own apple of choice. I just find that the Fuji apple's flavor works best for the kale juice. And the same goes for the type of kale you use. My favorite is the Lacinato kale, which you can find in the outro video, but you can use whatever kale suits you best. Alright, turn on your juicer, and you're going to start by juicing the kale leaves. And make sure that the juice pours into the cocktail shaker. Following that, you're going to juice the apple slices you just cut using the juicer. Next, juice the half of the lemon, and make sure you remove the seeds from the lemon before juicing, as they are slightly toxic to eat. Finally, you're going to juice the cucumber and add that juice to the mixture. Now using either a stirrer or the cocktail shaker itself, you're going to thoroughly mix the juices together until it's all well combined. Now in a prepared tall glass of ice, you're going to strain the kale juice into the glass. You can drink this immediately. And now congrats, you just made your very own kale juice. There's enough ingredients in this mixture to make 2 servings. I would say to drink the juice immediately, as with juicing, the different fruits and vegetables used in making your drink will tend to separate as time goes on. And the juices themselves will not last long either, whether refrigerated or not. I would consume this within 24 hours if refrigerated. But this drink is packed with vitamins and nutrition, and it tastes great, and it's a delicious way to get some fruits and vegetables into your system. As always, this recipe and many more are available in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef, available on Amazon, and the link is in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Until next time, on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine, peace.